Hello folks, we come to the part 6 video of the exercise 9.2 and here we are taking up two crucial problems, very important problems. Let's check how we can do it. They say that this particular term is the arithmetic mean between A and B. They have asked us to find the value of n. Let's go about doing it. Here, right. A raised to n plus b raised to n by a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1. They say it's an arithmetic mean between a and b. That means it is this, right? So it comes for us to solve this. So let's have this going that side and this coming here. So it's like 2 times a raised to n plus b raised to n, and it's like a plus b times a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1. So how does this come? A raised to n plus 2 into b raised to n, and then let's have this expanded. A raised to 1 into a raised to n minus 1. I wonder if I have to write it. Okay, then a into b raised to n minus 1, b into a raised to n minus 1, and then b into b raised to n minus 1. So this will come to 2a raised to n, 2b raised to n, a raised to n, a into b raised to n minus 1, b into a raised to n minus 1, and b raised to n. Why we got this? A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So when we add these powers, n minus 1 plus 1, it will come to n. So you have it that way. Now these both are like, let it come here. So 2a raised to n minus a raised to n, 2b raised to n minus b raised to n, ab raised to n minus 1, ba raised to n minus 1. So this is a raised to n. This is b raised to n. Have it here. ab raised to n minus 1, ba raised to n minus 1 is 0. Have this together, right? So what will happen if they have it together? You have 1a and 1a common. So what stays here? A raised to n minus 1. Why did we go to expand? Oh yeah. And b raised to b minus 1, isn't it? You have taken this 1a from here common and this a common. So you are left with a raised to n minus 1 here, and that b raised to n minus 1 stays here. Same way here, let's take a b common between these two terms. So if you have taken a b from here, b raised to n minus 1 is left. And you have taken the b from here, so this is left. Right. For the purpose of uniformity, let's have this minus coming out. So if the minus comes out, it becomes, that's it. That's just for the purpose of uniformity, so that we have these two same. So if you take a minus out from here, then it will be like, when you open up, it's the same thing. Minus a raised to n minus 1 plus b, it's the same. But for uniformity, we are doing it that way. So what happens in both these groups, a raised to n minus 1 minus b raised to n minus 1 is common, and the uncommon things are a minus b equal to 0. When the product is 0, either one can be 0 or both can be 0, that depends. So either that this is 0, either that this is 0 or that this is 0. But this is serious, because if this becomes 0, a becomes b, and that's not allowed. They have told us that a and b are different, okay? Or rather other way around, they have not told us that they are equal. So we will not take that. And so we'll stick to this. So what is the meaning? A raised to n minus 1 equal to b raised to n minus 1. Or in other words, get the b on this side. So it's a raised to n minus 1 by b raised to n minus 1 becoming 1. We've got it on this side as a ratio, right? Or it's like writing a by b whole raised to n minus 1. Now because this is 1, there is no harm if I call it as a by b whole raised to 0. Right, there's no harm. Now when the bases are same, you can compare the exponents. So let's compare. N minus 1 is 0. In that process, what is n? It's 1. And that's the answer. Great. That's the value of n. We can quickly move to the 15th problem and see what it says. It says that between 1 and 31, you have to insert some terms. How many terms? M terms. Such that the ratio of the 7th number and m minus 1th number is 5 by 9. It's a number, not the term. And when it's a term, it will get 1 added. Like the 7th term will become a8. And the m minus 1 term will become am. Why? Because you are inserting. So when you are inserting, already this will become the first term. And like that, you have terms inserted. So automatically the term will change. Okay. So let's write here D is 31 minus 1 by m plus 1, isn't it? Because by b minus a by n plus 1, that logic. Okay, given that a8 by am, because it's a number and we are converting it into term, it is 5 by 9 by formula. This is a plus 7d and this is a plus m minus 1d, becoming 5 by 9, right? And a is 1 because that's the first term, right? So let's have it, 1 plus 7d by 1 plus m minus 1d. Let's have this solved. 9 going there, this going there. So 9 into 1 plus 7d and 5 into 1 plus m minus 1d. How much does it come to? 9 plus 63d. This is 5 plus 5 times m minus 1d. Right. Let's have them all on one side. This is here and this is there, whatever. So 9 minus 5 here. And here 5 times m minus 1d minus 63d. So d is common. 5m minus 5 minus 63. This is 9 minus 5, 4. So d, but we know it is, it is 30 by m plus 1. And this is 5m minus 68. Okay, let's take this on that side. 4 times m plus 1 is, let's have it, 150m minus how much? 68 into 3. 8 3s are 24, 6 3s are 18, 20. So 2040. And this is 4m plus 4. Right. So let's have this 4 plus 2040. Already 150m is there here. Let the 4m come here. So it will become 144m. And here 2044. So what is your value of m? It is 2044 by 144, and this is, it is up for us to find out what this value will come up like. I don't know whether we can go in for a division. 2044 by 144, logically one time, 144, 4 and 4 0, no, why 10 minus 4, 64, 604. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. Whether 6 will be okay. No. My mistake. I'm not so happy with this part. So I must check here. 9 plus 63d, 5 plus 5 times n minus 1d. So it's going there, it's becoming 5 minus 63d. Oh, why not? 150m is 146. Small problem. 146. So 9, 14 and 6, it's 8. And 9 minus 4, it's 5. Yeah, so 146. Okay, now 146, let's check 4 times. Yes, 4 times, it's 584, and that's 0. That's how this will work to 40. That's exactly your answer, right? So that's about this, and with this we are completing the part 6. We come with the part 7 video, 2 more problems left for the exercise to get over. So that's all about this. Thank you.